International shipping can feel like alphabet soup. BOL, SLI, AES, never mind customs. But don't worry, I'm here to simplify exactly which documents you need to get your shipment moving smoothly, without the confusion. Let's run through the must-have documents for every shipment. First on the list, commercial invoice. Think of this as your shipment's birth certificate. It lists exactly what your cargo is, its value, and where it comes from. Customs will use this to determine duties and taxes, so don't get creative. Let's save the storytelling for Netflix. You, the shipper, provide this document. Next up, packing list. This one's pretty simple. It's a full rundown of what's packed inside your shipment, complete with sizes, weights, and quantities. Basically, it's like your mom's overly detailed packing instructions for summer camp. Except here, customs actually cares. You provide this one as well. And now, the MVP of shipping docs, the bill of lading, or BOL. This shipping document is your cargo's ticket to travel. It proves your cargo was received, confirms transportation agreements, and acts like proof of ownership. Now, without a BOL, your shipment's probably not leaving the dock, so make sure your freight carrier or forwarder issues this. Otherwise, your cargo's probably just gonna have some serious FOMO. Certificate of Origin. Think of it as your cargo's passport, proving where your goods were made. Customs uses this to confirm if you qualify for special trade agreements or discount on tariffs. Come on, everyone loves a good discount, right? You'll typically get this from your local chamber of commerce or manufacturer. Then there's the AES Filing. Basically customs way of saying, tell us exactly what you're exporting electronically. Or else. It's required for exports over $2,500. Skip it, and customs might give you a financial slap on the wrist. You or your freight forwarder can pretty easily submit this online. Next is the shipper's letter of instruction. The instruction manual you write for your freight forwarder. You're telling them exactly how to handle your shipment, which routes to take, and any special requests. Think of this as the ultimate logistics cheat sheet, and you provide it directly. If you're shipping hazardous goods, think fireworks, batteries, or your grandma's extra hot chili, you'll need a safety data sheet, or SDS. It explains exactly how to safely handle your spicy cargo. Make sure it's clear, accurate, and compliant, or you'll get burned. Literally. Your product manufacturer will provide this one. And lastly, operational instructions. These are special requests, like handle with care, use a crane, or sing in a lullaby before unloading. Maybe not that last one, but seriously, any special handling instructions should be clearly communicated with your logistics partner. Write them down and pass them along. And now, some bonus tips. A quick note about Incoterms. These aren't documents, but they're rules defining who's responsible for shipping costs and risks. They're basically the shipping industry's prenup. Establish responsibilities before things get messy. And always double check if you need special import or export licenses or permits. Don't be that person who tries sneaking an elephant past customs. Spoiler, it's not gonna work. Are you still feeling overwhelmed? Totally understandable. This stuff, it gets tricky. Reach out to your friendly neighborhood ATS logistics expert. We live for this stuff. Seriously, we do. And there you have it. You're now officially a shipping paperwork wizard. Remember, commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, plus those extras you needed, and you're good to go. If this video made shipping seem less like rocket science and more like a walk in the park, hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty logistics tips. Thanks for watching, and ship safe.